This is why you need a brand story. It's more than just a logo, it's what makes your business unforgettable. Imagine your brand as a book. Each page tells a bit about who you are, but here's the secret. The best brands don't just talk about themselves. They tell a story that speaks to their audience. First, be authentic. People can spot a fake from a mile away. Show your true values, whether it's your commitment to quality or your passion for innovation. Next, keep it consistent. Your story should stay the same across all channels. From your website to social media, let your brand voice be strong and steady. And lastly, tap into emotions. Make your audience feel something. Joy, trust, excitement, whatever it is, make it memorable. Now, take a look at your brand's current story. Does it reflect who you are and what your customers care about? If not, it's time for a rewrite. Celebrate your milestones and share them with your audience. Give a behind-the-scenes look to build a deeper connection. Engage with your audience through interactive content. Showcase customer reviews and user-generated content to build trust. Always plan for the future and adapt your story as your brand evolves. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips from BizMentor. See you in the next video.